How to solve x power 34 is equal to 34. Now I describe what is the value of x. First of all, x power 34 is equal to 34. Now we multiply by power of 34 in both sides. 34. Here we can apply this exponential rules that a power m bracket n is same as a power n bracket m. So we can write here x power 34 bracket x power 34 is equal to 34 bracket 34. Let x to the power 34 is substituted by y. According to this rules that a power a n power n, a is equal to n. So n is greater than or equal to 1. Apply this equation. We can write here y to the power y is equal to 34 to the power 34. Y is equal to 34. If x to the power 34 is equal to y, so y is equal to x to the power 34. Now we find the value of x, so we multiply by power of 1 by 34 in both sides. 1 by 34. 34 will be cancelled. So we find the value of x is equal to plus minus 34 root of 34. 34th root of 34. So x is equal to plus minus 34th root of 34. It is the value of x. How to simplify 8 power 19 plus 8 power 19 is equal to what? At first, we take common 8 power 19, first bracket start 8 power 19 divided by 8 power 19, that means 1 plus and same as 8 power 19 divided by 8 power 19, that means 1. So 8 power 19 is same as 2 to the power 3 bracket 19 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Here we can apply this exponential rules that a power m bracket n is equal to a power mn. So we can write here 2 to the power 3 times 19, that means 57 times 2, that 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. According to this rules that a power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So we can write here 2 common but different power. So we can write here 2 to the power 57 plus 1. So we can write here 2 to the power 58. This is the final answer.